guys, I'm here with my girl Brooke and we've just achieved these awesome beachy, effortless waves using the new Mermade Hair Mini Pro Waver. So I'm just plugged in the Mini Hair Pro Waver at 180 degrees. The new ionic heat technology reduces the styling time within 50%. So let's get to it. Hold the hair in clamp for about 3 to 5 seconds to create that real beach mermaid wave. And so in between each wave, I like to brush out the hair with the Mermade Hair brush, just so the hair is nice and smooth.